Hi guys, this is another lesson on idiom. As you may know, idioms are used in everyday conversations, hence it becomes essential to know about idioms as they help you sound like a native speaker. Today's idiom is the old Caboodle. It means everything. Example 1. Dave just threw the old Caboodle in the back of the car. It means Dave just threw everything in the back of the car. Example 2. Can I have the whole caboodle on the menu, please? It means, can I have everything on the menu, please? Example 3. He packed up all his gear, the whole caboodle, and walked out. It means he packed up all his gear, everything, and walked out. Example 4. She bought the whole caboodle. It means she bought everything. Example 5. Jane replaced almost the whole caboodle in the house. It means Jane replaced almost everything in the house. You can also say the whole kit and caboodle. They mean the same. This idiom we are talking about is informal, so don't use it in a formal speech or formal writing. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video with another idiom.